now we can read about the IUPAC nomenclature. So here you can see that C2H5O C2H5. So this is the symmetrical ether. On both sides of oxygen, 2 carbon atom is present. So preference is given to anyone. This will become the ethoxy, and this is the ethane. So this is the ethoxy ethane. Here you can see CH3O, and this is the CH2, so this is the propane. So this will given the preference. So this will the longest chain, so it will come later in the nomenclature. Like here you can see that it come at later nomenclature में 1-methoxy propane. So here it is C6H5OCH3 carbon atom. Here it is more, so it will come later here. So it will become the methoxy benzene. And here in this case you can, this is the 6 carbon atom, but here it is the 6 carbon atom or 1 here, so it is 7 carbon atom. So this is the longest chain, so it will come later in the nomenclature. Here it is start from this 1-phenoxyheptane. So now here 3 carbon atom is there, so this come later, propane. If your number is 1, 2 and this one is 3, so it is the 2-methoxy propane. Here it is the 6 carbon atom, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will come later. Numbering starts from this 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the 3-methyl butoxy benzene. After oxygen, 1-methyl is there. Here also the 1-methyl is there, but in the middle 2 carbon atom. So it is this 1,2-dimethoxy ethane. Now 6 carbon atom. So this will come later. This one is the 1, 2, like this 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2-ethoxy 1,1-dimethyl 2 है, तो इसमें 2 1 आएगा. Cyclohexane. These are the nomenclature of the ethers. Now this is the nomenclature of alcohols. This is the CH3OH methanol, is also the IUPAC name. Now here 3 carbon atoms, so oxygen will get the preference. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the 10-2-all. Here 1, 2, 3. It is the 2-methyl propane 2-all. Here this is the cyclohexane. OH ग्रुप अटैच है यहाँ पे, इसको क्या बोलेंगे, साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉल. इसमें क्या डबल बॉन्ड है. अब इसमें देखना होगा कि किसका प्रेफरेंस होता है. डबल बॉन्ड का पहला प्रेफरेंस होगा कि OH ग्रुप का. अगर OH ग्रुप का प्रेफरेंस ज़्यादा होता है डबल बॉन्ड से, तो उसको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे 1, 2, 3. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, प्रॉप 2 इन 2 में क्या डबल बॉन्ड लगा हुआ 1 ओल. अब ये क्या है, ट्राईहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल है. कॉमन नेम इसका क्या था, ग्लिसरॉल. अब इसका हम IUPAC नेम देखते हैं. तो 1, 2 एंड दिस वन इज 3. तो प्रोपेन 1, 2, 3 ट्रायोल. 3 है तो ट्रायोल. अब इसमें देखते हैं ये OH ग्रुप इधर लगा हुआ, इधर मेथिल ग्रुप हुआ है, तो ये OH ग्रुप का पहले प्रेफरेंस रहेगा. तो ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2-methyl. दिस इज द 2-methyl साइक्लोपेंटेनॉल. पेंटेन है तो उसमें OH ग्रुप लगा, तो साइक्लोपेंटेनॉल, साइक्लोपेंट 1 ऑल. नाउ इफ द alcohol having the triple bond, OH group has got the preference, so we can write here 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is the 4 carbon atom, that means but 3 ion. कार्ड पे ये है, तो 3 ion 1 all. Now aromatic alcohols, the OH group will get the preference. So this is the 1, 2, 3 and this one is the 4. So this is the 4-methyl phenol. So here also this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is the 2-bromo phenol. Here again OH group has a preference over amino group. It will, so 4-amino phenol. Here it has preference over nitro group. So it is the 2-nitro phenol. Above the OH group is aldehyde group is present, and above aldehyde is the acid group is there. So preference in this case will be given to the aldehyde group. So here this carbon is 1, 2, and this one is 3, and this one is the 4. So it is become the 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Here again it has the preference over which group. It is the 1, 2, 3, and this one is the 4. So it is 4-hydroxy benzoic acid. Now this is the ether. This is the symmetrical ether. Here it is tertiary carbon atom. Here it is also the tertiary carbon atom. Here we make a nomenclature of this. So both are same. So here second position पे ये attach है ये वाला group. So 2 dash bracket में करेंगे यहाँ पे 2 methyl then 2 propoxy propane है. फिर यहाँ पे क्या है मिथिल और ये क्या है प्रोपेन. अब इसमें आ जाते हैं. इसमें इसका प्रेफरेंस होगा तो इसको पहले लिखेंगे यहाँ पे मिथिल 4-hydroxy benzoate. दिस इज द ईस्टर ग्रुप. ईस्टर ग्रुप इज दिस वन एसिड जिसमें H रिप्लेस हो गया हो अल्किल ग्रुप से, उसको ईस्टर बोलते हैं.